With over 30 years of expertise in the casting and precision machining industry, ALD Precision Manufacturing Co. Limited has established itself as a trusted leader in providing high-quality manufacturing solutions. We specialize in custom castings, precision machine components, and mechanical assemblies for industries such as automotive, rail, renewable energy, and industrial machinery. Our manufacturing excellence, ALD operates out of a sprawling facility and over 100 sets of precision CNC machining equipment, ensuring our ability to deliver products of the highest quality. Our comprehensive manufacturing capabilities include iron mold casting production line, ideal for large-scale production with consistent quality and efficiency. Resin sand casting production line, suited for sample orders or low volume, high-precision projects with superior surface finish. Static pressure casting production line, perfect for heavy-duty castings, requiring exceptional strength and durability. Mechanical casting production line, specially designed for producing mechanical components for automotive, industrial, and other applications. Sheet metal and baking varnish workshop. We provide professional sheet metal processing and high-quality baking varnish finish, ensuring excellent durability and aesthetic appeal for a variety of products. Precision and versatility. Our services extend beyond casting. With over 100 advanced CNC machining centers, we offer precision machining, heat treatment, surface finishing, and final assembly, providing end-to-end solutions. These capabilities allow us to handle both prototype orders and large-scale production efficiently. Trusted by industry leaders, we are proud to have long-term partnerships with industry giants such as FA, CRRC, and Hengley, highlighting our ability to meet the stringent requirements of top-tier clients in automotive, rail, and industrial sectors. Why choose ALD? Extensive experience, 30+ years in casting and precision machining. Advanced facilities, 60,000 square meters. Factory with state-of-the-art equipment. Comprehensive solutions from casting to precision machining, surface treatment, and assembly. Global clientele, serving top enterprises worldwide with reliable and innovative solutions. At ALD Precision Manufacturing Co. Limited, we are committed to delivering high-quality, cost-effective manufacturing solutions tailored to your specific needs. Covering 60,000 square meters. Equipped with advanced production lines. At present, we serve all the head industrial enterprises in China, and we have enough ability to serve any enterprise. There must be nothing wrong with choosing us.